Hey guys, I'm Jordan and I'm going to teach you my favorite scale of all time. It's the blues scale. So the blues scale is super versatile for anyone who wants to improvise or solo or learn rock and blues songs. Here it is. I'm going to play it in the key of A minor. So that's the A minor blues scale. And here are what the notes are for that scale. So it goes A to C, D, E flat, E, G, and A. So A, C, D, E flat, E, G, A. And if you want to really understand how this scale works, you got to learn the formula for it. So now I'll show you the formula between each note. So that's a minor third. This is a whole step, half step, minor third, whole step. So maybe you might be confused, what do I mean when I say minor third? Minor third is a really important harmony in music, makes up the minor triad, and you can consider it to be 3 half steps apart. So you have your one note here and you count up 1, 2, 3. That's your minor third. And you can also sort of just listen to how it sounds. It kind of sounds like a minor chord as opposed to a happy major chord. So minor third, whole step, half step, another minor third, and then a whole step to cap it off. So let's try it in another key. We're going to try it in the key of D minor. So remember that formula. We got minor third, whole step, half step, another minor third, and a whole step on top. Okay, so that's the blues scale. It's super awesome. You can use it everywhere. One of the greatest chord progressions of all time, the most common chord progression ever, the 1, the 4, and the 5. You can play this blues scale on top of each one of those chords and it's going to sound awesome. You can go. Just use the notes in the blues scale. So basically anything catchy that you've ever heard ever, it's probably going to be using that blues scale. Okay, thanks so much for watching. Try it out at home. Is this your favorite scale? Let me know. If you've got another scale you really love, let me know too. Be sure to check out more of our videos and we will see you around. Bye-bye.